guys, we are still in that process of breaking out of this symmetrical triangle here on the long term that can give us a XRP target of around $26 right here, guys. I'm gonna go into more details, recapping more about what to expect for the XRP price, technically speaking, on the short term, midterm, and long term, and to see what's been happening since the Bitcoin pullback that happened recently, so we can help you as much as possible to stay in track without getting shaking out and looking at the long term, guys. So let's get started, guys. So hi guys, and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and the cryptocurrency technical analysis. So in today's XRP technical analysis YouTube video, guys, before we get started, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And thank you so much for your support, guys. So we're gonna get started, guys. Happy New Year and happy almost everything that's been happening recently in that case. So here, guys, looking at the XRP price here, of course, we have the huge symmetrical triangle here that it is on the process of breaking out, because right here, either it breaks support or breaks resistance here, okay? So right now, guys, XRP is very close to breaking out of this massive symmetrical triangle, guys, and XRP likes to complete targets like this, and I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by that. So here, guys, on previous patterns, we can see here, so guys, XRP likes to repeat and also fulfill patterns like this, like a symmetrical triangles. I'm gonna show you guys here. So this one was before the new all-time highs here for the XRP price around 2013 in this range. So we formed a symmetrical triangle right here, resistance, support, resistance, and then it broke out and then confirmed previous resistance as new support and met the target. Just in case you're new, how do you measure the target? So once you identify the pattern, you go from support to resistance, and then you put it like this, and that gives you that target right there. And so this got perfectly met. That was a good move, very good move, because that was if you bought here, yeah, that's around 26x. So that's a 2,600% move. So in summary, if you invested here, you made a 26 times your investment. 1,000 will be 26,000. And then we add this one here. This was a triangle, a bullish triangle pennant in that case. And so here, if you go to the weekly, we can see it more clearly. That's why we take different time frames here, because here it made, again, the symmetrical triangle right here, resistance, support, resistance. Once it broke out, perfectly met the target, and then pulled back, guys. That's why these patterns are very important to keep following them, especially on the long term. Not necessarily too much on the short term, but on the long term, this is very, very strong evidence to suggest what is the XRP is most likely going to do in the future, guys. That's what technical analysis is. And how do you measure like this? Well, since this is a bull pennant, you use from here to here, and then you put it on the breakout, and you get the target. And that was another, let's see, that was another, wow, 1,000% move, guys, from there, just from there. So that was another 10x. If you bought here and sold here, which is not that easy to do, but if you did, yeah, wow, that's a 633x. So that's 63,357%, guys. Very beautiful. So the point I want to make with this is that the XRP likes to fulfill these targets, guys. Okay, so this 2 times so far on the previous cycles. So now we're gonna hide that. Now we're gonna go what we have here. So on this on the previous bull market here, it didn't make new all-time highs. It just stayed here and then pulled back. But no worries, we're gonna go into more details about that. So here, guys, based on the symmetrical triangle, well, we have that the XRP price likes to form this huge symmetrical triangle. So this is the biggest one on it in its history, because it's support here, resistance, support here, support, resistance. Right now it is on the middle right here. So it's gonna decide if it wants to pull back from here, hit that 25-cent support, or from there it's gonna hit that resistance here. So I have two lines right here, and the reason why, guys, is because here there's two ways to draw this, which is from its extreme wicks to wicks, or from wick to previous wicks here, based on here. So, but the last resistance would be this one here. That would be the last one. That's the more that's the line I want to put more focus on, which I already do. And so the point with this is, also I want to show you guys on the previous patterns, if we use Fibonacci retracements, we can also use that as another confluence. So we put from, again, here, resistance to support, okay? And the point of this is, once it breaks this line, which is this one, usually it goes to this 1.618 Fibonacci extension. Just in case, if you're using this is on the Fib levels based log scale. I'm using log scale as my charting settings right here. So logarithmic, if you put it regular, it would be looking like this. That's what most people look at, but to put it more into perspective, this is the logarithmic chart. So this is what actually XRP is performing. So it's very good, guys. XRP is a very good investment, in my opinion, not financial advice. And so it's very obvious this is going to go and make more new all-time highs based on fundamentals. Obviously, it's like whoever's not bullish on this, just in summary, doesn't understand what the charts are saying and the fundamentals, because it doesn't matter if it's centralized or whatever. If it's going to go up, it's gonna go up no matter if it's centralized or decentralized. That's all facades if you're using that as your evidence for bullish movements, at least most of the times. Not every time, but most of the times. Okay, so from here, guys, once we break that one, we usually head to that 1.620 Fibonacci extension, and we met that right here. We got it, literally front run that target by a little bit, just a little bit right there, okay? And then it pulled back, and then if you use the same tool again here, okay, we use it here to here, we also met the target here, okay? Once we break that one, we go to that 1.620 Fibonacci extension, and it got met also, okay? So what's the point of this? Usually, again, if you're using where to sell after new all-time highs, this is what you use, technically speaking. Fibonacci retracement and the Fibonacci extension, that would be, okay? So guys, if you need help in the cryptocurrency market, short-term, mid-term, and long-term, I have a Discord group with which I help you guys trade the markets on the long-term, mid-term, and short-term, okay? Also, I have a channel here where I buy and sell. I show you when I'm buying and selling. So here recently, I have made some 238% profits here on Saucer Swap here. Show you when I'm buying here, making some very great profits here, guys. Also for Saucer Swap here, ICP, I made 181% profits recently also. Algorand on 29.82% profits. And yeah, Polkadot, some 9.78% profits. Let's see here. Yeah, it's a lot of them. Algorand, again, 38% profits here. Let's see here. We have buying a lot of XRP, Heads, Jasmine, Theta, IOTA. Yeah, I'm showing you when I'm buying. Let's see here. ICP, also 145% profits there. VTHO, Vitor token, some 97% profits there. And let's see, for Decentraland, 18% profits. And yeah, so many different cryptocurrencies. SAMO token, 182% moves there. So here I can show you when I'm buying and selling. I can guide you. And of course, it's not financial advice, but if you want to use like for educational purposes and to be on top of the market, I have been studying this market for more than literally 3 years now. Now it's 4 years recently. So I can definitely help you with this, guys. And I would like to see you there, guys. And I will be seeing you in my Discord group. It's very affordable. And I go into more cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano. I can also go into Caspa. Let's see here. Many other Chainlink, many other cryptocurrencies, guys. Okay, like Binance token. We have Solana, Vtor token. We also cover Saucer Swap, T-Fuel, Data. You can cover Matic and many other cryptocurrencies, guys. Okay, like also IOTA, Illuvium, many more, and HBAR and many more. So hope I will be seeing you there right now, guys. And thank you so much again for your very great support. So now we're gonna continue here, guys. And so it got mint. So why do I bring this? So this is very interesting, guys, because if we use that same method for this movement here, as you can see on this recent ones I have been displaying, the price just blasts through all of that 1.618 Fibonacci extension, and also on this second one it just went through above that. So this is very interesting, guys, because this gives us perspective in which here, if we use that same method here, I'm gonna show you guys quickly. Okay, we put it from here. Okay, just a second here. We put it from here, from this movement. Oh, come on, man. Okay, if we put it from this movement here, guys, from here to here, okay, the 1.618 Fibonacci extension is at around $26, guys. Okay, and not only that, guys, here, if we use the symmetrical triangle here, that's the exact target. So we have very beautiful confluence, technically speaking, on the conservative side, just by using this Fibonacci 1.618 Fibonacci extension, which just by using that indicator just gives us $26. But if we combine that and use a symmetrical triangle, support, resistance, support, support, resistance, breaks that, next target of the symmetrical triangle is around that $26, $27 territory, guys. So we have two macro very, very conservative approaches in which both are coinciding. What does that mean? It means that it is more likely to meet that target. That's what it actually means, okay? And so this is why, technical analysis work, guys. Because if it didn't, there's no way for the top 1 to 10% traders to make money if it actually didn't work out. So it actually works. It's just most people that don't believe in technical analysis or don't know about technical analysis or just don't know what to think about it. Those people just don't know enough about what actually works. They usually follow basic technical analysis people that don't know much to actually be profitable, in summary. So be aware this actually works. You have to really study the charts, okay? If you don't study the charts, you don't put the time on it, you're not gonna see it. And also, just in case, technical analysis is not guaranteed. This is the best way to predict future outcomes with 90%. TA is not about 100% certainties. It's about 90 to 95% certainties. Because we have a very, let's say, very high conservative approach to it doesn't mean it's guaranteed. But what it does mean, if I were to repeat that same strategy 10 times, then out of those 10 times, I would be right 8 times out of 10 or 9 times out of 10. That's what it means. Just because it doesn't work at one time doesn't mean it doesn't work. It's just, this is not a 100%. That's why it has probabilities. That's the point of it, literally. That's the literal point of technical analysis. It's not a guarantee. The point is to predict most of the times the price action, okay? And it does work because hedge fund managers use this and big money players use this because of what I'm showing you guys. Because, guys, most people don't know TA. They're not gonna be sitting into looking all of these patterns, okay? This is top money that's looking at this, which I'm showing you here. And when it breaks out, that's where they put most of the money. And then retail comes in and pushes a little bit higher because it's already high. Okay, they're not looking at patterns most of the time. Most of the times they're lost. So that's why it works like that. And the same here. This bullish pennant, big money is making sure to complete this pattern. Once it breaks out, that's where retail comes in and pushes a little bit higher. So again, big money rules this market. They follow TA. They don't follow buy and hold only. It's just, that's like your basic average, like retail trying to, and not even your basic sometimes. Like, yeah, it's like first level is not using any long-term trading strategies. Second level would be buy and hold. Third level, basic TA. Fourth level will be more advanced TA. And fifth would be very advanced hedge fund manager TA, which is illustrated in this also, guys. So guys, I wanted to show you guys this because the confluence is very beautiful, okay? And I want you guys to stay ahead in the market and not be your basic average buy and hold investor, which that's not where most of the money is made, literally. If you're talking about very, very big wins, that's not where the money is, okay? Because, or else, S&P 500 investors would be making a lot of money in 40 years. But if you know where to trade all of those like pullbacks and pumps, you will make more money. But again, it's not for everyone. You have to really study the charts. You have to know about RSI and combine all of these indicators, because as you can see, guys, if you know, just using the RSI, guys, you can just predict tops. Okay, here monthly 95 here, and then it pulled back right there. Okay, boom, and then pumped again, and that was another top 95. That's not coincidence, guys. In summary, when you see this monthly hitting 95 on the RSI, you can be very sure you're very close to the top. And as you can see, boom, recent top, local top, second top, and you can just, and we can expect for the next cycle to play out like that. In that case, we can look something like this. It's not guaranteed, guys, but if we are seeing this on the charts in the future outcomes, you can expect that with a high likely scenario. Okay, so guys, here you can see that the XRP price topped out here. It had just reached 74, but because it was forming this huge asymmetrical triangle, which is now looking to break very, very soon here, guys. Okay, to get back on track, guys. Okay, so here I wanted to show you guys about what I was seeing there. Now we're going to the short-term and midterm, guys. Okay, so here, guys, on the midterm. Okay, so I want to show you guys when to buy XRP. On my opinion, not financial advice, but this is what I'm doing in that case. So here, guys, these are very great supports. So from what you're seeing here, okay? So here, guys, again, this is support, all of this, because here we have support. This is a little bit support. It's not that clear, but here, resistance, and then break above, then support, break the support, come down, fake out, boom, break above, and then support, and bounces. So buying out of this purple line is a very great buying the dip opportunity right here. So the next one, if it reaches this month, that will be around 42 cents. The more it takes for this purple line to get retested, the higher the buying the dip will be. Next month will be around 43 cents, and it keeps going higher from there. Okay, and also this support right here, support, fake out, support, bounce, support, bounce. You see how this works, guys? This is all technical analysis. That's what governs the market most of the times. Okay, not 100%, but I would say, yeah, more than 80% minimum. And as you can see, recently we had the pullback, and look at that support. Bounce. Look at that. Support. Very clear. That's right here. It's another great buying the dip opportunity, 50 cents. Buying all of this range is very good right now, guys, because again, look at this. Look at all of that support, guys, on the monthly body candle closes, and then it shot up and then came back. Support, bounce. Support here from out of this support and then bounce. So this works, guys. So here, again, even here right now, this is a good buying the dip opportunity. Why, guys? Because right here, we can see our horizontal support also here. Okay, that's another reason why we having support in so many angles. But I want to show you guys that right now it's still a great buy opportunity because, again, we're talking about 58 cents for XRP, okay? We're going to reach that $26 in my opinion eventually. That's what I'm looking for. And if, let's say, in the worst case scenario, it doesn't reach that, I will still know because of other indicators. And I'm going to show you guys why. Okay, guys. So those are very good, like, buying the dip opportunities for XRP. And very strong monthly supports also there. And also, guys, another pattern that play out that we made a lot of money on it. I also made that huge movement last year. Literally made more than 100%. Around that 100% move, I bought around 42 cents and sold around here, 82 cents here. Then came back. You can look back on my channel and look at that. But in summary, it was forming this huge W pattern. It gave you a lot of time, and then it was going to fulfill the target anyways. And then the XRP case was won, and against the SEC, and the target was met in that case. And that was just using from here to here. This was the conservative approach. Met the target around 68 cents. Then wick to wick, you have from wick to wick here. And look at that. Boom. 92 cents. Beautiful, okay? Another reason it got rejected there, of course, so this resistance here, technical analysis, guys, again, resistance here. And of course, if you're using Fibonacci retracements, you just put it from here to here. And look at that, guys. Wow. Perfect rejection on the 0.61 Fibonacci retracing. Of course, it's technical analysis. It's boom, rejection, come back. That's how it works, guys, okay? And I sold mostly around 82 cents. So very, very beautiful trade right there. And so, okay, guys, those are very strong supports. What to expect next, I'm going to show you guys here. So we have also another Fibonacci retracing from here to here. Also made the target here, and now it's losing support here, okay? So guys, I'm gonna show you what to expect in this case, guys. So here on the short term, guys, midterm, I already talked about this so many times last year, and yeah, we have again this descending bounding wedge. So we have this resistance, support, support, breaking above. Once we break above that, the next target will be around $2.76 right here. Around $2.72. Okay, right now it broke out and it's following through so far very beautifully. So yeah, that's another pattern to be aware of. That's very bullish. That's more evidence for more continuation to the upside for XRP. And so here, okay, that's a descending. Now the falling wedge. There and there. Okay. So the falling wedge, guys. So again, we have resistance, support, resistance, all this support, all this resistance, and then break above, support, and then blast off. And then boom, perfect support again, and then follow through. So the target will be around here, around $1.96. It will be this wick right here. That will be the target. And in that case, let's see, that's another pattern to be aware of. On the short term, guys, we're gonna go here so we can see what's happening here. So guys, as we can see here, pull back and then getting rejected on the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement as usual, and 0.65 Fibonacci retracement, and then pull back, hold this 0.32 Fibonacci retracement as support, resistance, support, breaking above, getting rejected again on that 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, coming back here, resistance 0.5, support 0.382, resistance, all this resistance, and then whee, huge pullback, coming back here, holding still this 0.382 Fibonacci retracement as support, guys. Okay, so we can expect a good, very huge move right here for the XRP price once it breaks this resistance. Okay, because that would be this that would be this resistance here, here, and here. Breaking out of that would give you more condition to the upside in that case, guys. Okay, but technically speaking, first you want to break that resistance. So the longer it takes, the lower the resistance. But right here, let's say it breaks like this, that would be around breaking above 65 cents, and then breaking above this 70 cents and 71 cents, because that's a 0.618, 0.65 Fibonacci tracing. And then the last confirmation will be breaking above this 0.76 Fibonacci tracing. So once it breaks at 80 cents, that's where we can expect massive movements. Technically speaking, that will be the play. Okay, in the meantime, this will be support in that case. So if it breaks this 58 cent support, then expect for the net support around that 53 cent territory right here. So you can look back at the monthly supports. That would be, let's see here, this one's right here, as you can see. This one, 53 cents, very strong support. That's almost 54 cents. And then also this 47 cents is very, very strong support, guys, also. And so let's see here. And looking at the parallel supports, that would be around here. Got supported right here. All of this support, as you can see. You see how this works? Bounce, support, 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 continues, support, support, and around here support. So it's not perfect. It's not something that's gonna be like very perfect to see, but it works. You just have to know enough to actually realize and put in the action, guys. Okay, and yeah, this is also like a technical analysis course, not a course, but a lesson, because we can use this in many different aspects. Okay, if you see enough of my videos here. Okay, guys, so yeah, technically speaking, that's what we can expect. If it loses the 58 cents support, next one will be around 51 cents. And here, once it breaks above this 80 cents, that's where we can expect next target around, let's see here, guys, so we can tell you exactly what to expect. Then next support, next resistance, guys, would be using this long-term Fibonacci tracing. So next strong support would be 91 cents and $1.01. If it can break above that, that's where we can start to see targets around $1.22, $1.30, around there. And one of the last resistances horizontally will be around $1.55. Okay, and when can we expect XRP to make new all-time highs, guys? Well, exactly when. So once it breaks this long-term 0.786 Fibonacci tracing and $1.61, once it breaks that resistance, guys, that's where you can expect the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. And just in case you have a question, okay, how many body candle closes on the daily or weekly you need for each resistance to break or support to break? Well, guys, in summary, usually it's not a guarantee. Again, it's a very high probability place in that case, but I'm gonna show you guys what to expect here. Okay, so each support or resistance, I like to wait 2 to 4 daily body candle closes to either break or either to break your resistance or break support, or 1 to 2 weekly body candle closes to break support or resistance. And so, yeah, I usually like to follow that. XRP is very volatile, so once it gets moving, it doesn't give you much of a chance. So that's why when you're navigating through XRP, usually the good rule to follow would be buying when it's boring, which is right now. Oh wait, guys, wait. I'm seeing something here. Okay, so we have kind of like a pattern here. Will be something like this. And yeah, our target would be around, wow, 47 cents. So still, it is breaking down out of this support. So that's bearish here. Net supports 55 cents. But again, I already mentioned because of the Fibonacci tracing, that's why it's holding support. But net target around 47 cents according to what I'm seeing here. Okay. But based on very strong supports, just look at the supports I already mentioned, guys. Okay. So yeah. In summary, that's what I'm looking for the XRP price, and that's what I'm seeing so far for the XRP price, guys. So if you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, I really appreciate it. And also leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends, and share it with other cryptocurrency enthusiasts so they can be aware of what to expect for the XRP price, because it's going to literally make a lot of profits, guys. And also, it is very realistic because $26 XRP will give you around $1 trillion market cap without the fully diluted market cap, but it will give you around $1 trillion, which is very viable because if Bitcoin is going to hit that $5 trillion market cap and 10 trillion market cap, XRP can easily hit that $1 trillion market cap to around $2 trillion market cap very easily. That's what history shows us in regards for massive appreciation based on percentages and levels. So XRP, I'm very bullish on, and we're gonna keep making a lot of money in XRP, guys. So, and again, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys, and also click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my XRP technical analysis YouTube video, guys. And also, guys, if you need help in the cryptocurrency market, had any questions, investing in short-term, mid-term, and long-term, I have an elite VIP crypto investor membership, which I cover 2 to 3 times per week. Technical analysis on various cryptocurrencies. It can be Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Chainlink. It can be HETS, it can be Binance, it can be Quant, ISO 222 tokens, it can be IOTA, XLM, etc. And I also post it's like a signals kind of thing, but it's more towards me showing you what I'm doing in this case, which is trading in the short term and mid term. I put on trading opportunities, which I'm going to show you right now, which are right here when you're seeing the midterm personal trading opportunities. Like this, I update you guys on my trading opportunities and when I'm looking to buy or take profits or sell. Also, when I'm doing dollar cost averaging, I also notify when I'm buying and selling which specific cryptocurrencies. This is not financial advice. But this can be used as educational, investigation, and also entertainment. So, and also, if you have any specific questions about if this cryptocurrency is good, what about this one? Will it be in the future? What will be the most likely outcomes? Things like that. I can definitely help you with that. I also take into consideration the total solar eclipses, the total lunar eclipses, the Shemitah cycles, and other very, very important indicators which I personally use to determine near bottoms and near tops in the bear markets and bull markets for the Bitcoin price. So yeah, if you need help, you can definitely click in the Patreon link in the description below. Patreon.com/cryptosolutions, and that's how it works usually. Like I have the $50 per month in this case crypto portfolio investment review, but that will be just one payment, so it will not be a per month basis. It will be just one verification. So if you're interested, you can definitely click on my Patreon link in the description below, Crypto Solutions. It will be patreon.com/cryptosolutions, and I will see you guys there. I really appreciate it, guys, and I will help you as much as possible. I will see you right now there, guys. Have a nice day, guys, and take care, guys. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.